like maths, Peter?
Yes, I do. I'm good at maths.
Do you have a maths lesson on Wednesdays?
No, I don't. I have maths on Mondays.
What's your favourite subject?
My favourite subject is English.
When do you have English?
I have English on Fridays.
My favourite subjects are geography and art.
I like art too. I have art on Wednesdays.
Cool. Do you like history too?
No, I don't. I have history on Thursdays. I think it's boring.
Do you like science?
I love it. I have science lessons on Tuesdays, and I sometimes go to the Science Museum on Saturdays.
Do you go to school on Saturdays?
No, I don't, but I have a music lesson on Saturdays. I play the piano.
Really? That's great.